Hey guys, so this is my radio, and we're gonna change it today to this one. So I got Volkswagen Touran 2007. This is probably RCD 300 and something, and this is RCN 320. So it's original, coming from Polo, something 2010, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So it's raining outside, so probably you're gonna hear some noises, but all right. So all you need is take off this trim, and under it it's 4 screws for the radio. So I'm gonna start it from here. So I'm gonna just do it like this. Just be careful, don't crash it. That's it. That's how it works. All right. So now we have untie those 4 screws with Torx T20. So while I'm screwing, I'm gonna tell you the thing. The new radio, as you saw in many different videos on YouTube, people say those CANbus wires you have to connect to air conditioner for like ignition switch, but I think not. I think we can use the original wires come to this original radio. So let me show you. Okay, so we'll take off the radio, take off the antenna and a quad lock. Probably you know already how to disconnect the quad lock. All right, so now we got here the quad lock, and there's the wires, like wires with the spares, and for the brown spare, those are speaker wires, and in a black spare there's feed wires. So these 2 wires are the same, actually. This is 12 volts positive, and here, as you see, this brown wire, it's negative. And also there's the 2 wires, which is CANbus original wires, but as I saw in many different videos on YouTube, nobody used these wires. I don't know why, but I'm gonna show you how to use them properly. I'm gonna use a tester, set it on 20 volts. You don't need more. And here's the pins, let's say like this, needles, and black is negative, and red is positive. So let me show you how I tested my wires. Let me try to stick it somewhere here. Right, let's it's gonna be okay. So yeah, so now we're gonna test the feed wires. So we got brown and those yellow orange, or yellow red, call it how you want it. So now one of them shows 1247 and the other also 1247. Yeah, so there's no difference. There's no difference which one you use to feed the radio. These are the same, and there's constant 12 volts. So mostly people trying to use wires from here or from a cigarette lighter just because to not drain battery, but it won't happen if you do anything properly. So now I'm gonna show you how the radio works only with those feed wires. Alright, so I connected new radio with only the red and the brown wire, which is positive and negative, and then these will be the CANbus wires for me. So I didn't connect them now just to show you how it works. See, radio works, everything is fine, unless you're trying to connect the phone. But if you're trying with a key, it also doesn't work, and it doesn't work properly. So what we're gonna do is to make it work properly. Right, so this this what's happen if you just don't use these two wires. So mostly people trying these two wires connect to air conditioner, so yeah, and then the radio works properly. But I thought no, it should be like that. So let me show you how I did. So what we're gonna do next is to test those CANbus wires, like original CANbus wires. All right, so let's see which is plus and which is minus, like positive and negative. So now I did like this, and it shows 1093 volts. So if we're gonna put those needles a different way, it's gonna show the negative 1093. So now we know which is plus and which is minus. So this one is a negative and this one is a positive, like this. But the next thing is find out how the radio works and how the feed works. So you see, it shows how you're supposed to connect the wires. On the right side it says con plus, and on the left between con plus and then and 12 volts it shows con ground. So let's try to connect that way. So I have my my yellow and black, which is yellow will be the plus and black will be minus. Let's try to connect them that way. So I'm gonna take the pin and put it in spare. All right, so now I connect my radio CANbus wires as it says on radio, as you saw, like this is positive and this one is negative. Let's see how the radio works. All right, let's try. Taking the key, and it doesn't works. Works only, and it shows the key is still off. So so ignition still not working, and the air conditioner works. So what we're gonna do next is to change the way wire goes. So you see the wires here still goes as it says, like black is con ground and yellow is con plus, if you see. But here I changed those wires, so the yellow should be on the left and black should be on the right. Let's see if radio works properly. It works even with those wires, but the question is if it works properly. So okay, so we got key and have to turn it on in first. Yep, ignition works. The lights also works as here, and it also works the light, like if you want to turn the light down, it also works. And the Bluetooth also works. It's already said that it's connected to my iPhone. So yeah, I don't know if it helps you, but I didn't connect them there, so it should work for you guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I tie the screws, get the trim back, and I turn it on just to see everything's okay. So I'm gonna turn it off. Ignition. Lights. Works. Ignition works. Connected. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and I'm sure you also have those two small wires, which is CANbus original wires, and then you don't have to connect to air conditioner or I don't know, cigarette lighter, just to make the ignition switch. So try it and test the wires. So the tester will say which is plus, which is minus, and also I didn't show you, but you have to test the wires comes out of the radio. So you feed the radio, and those my yellow and black wires was out, so you have to test them, which is plus and which is minus. They also give some volts out, so so that's how I figure out that I have to switch them. Okay, so so try it, and I guess it will help you. See you guys.